Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel. We just got back from our 4-night Bahamas and Coco Cay cruise on Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas.
If you're like us and wondering what the room options look like, this video is for you.
Stick around so we can show you what a junior suite looks like and compare it to a grand suite.
Both rooms were upgraded with the Royal Up program. If you want to know what our winning bids were, stick around.
Let's go!
Here we go!
Alright, welcome to our room tour. This is room 1260. It is a grand suite. We got the grand suite by doing the Royal Up program. We actually bid $200 per person to get this, and we were originally in a balcony. So I'll go ahead and start on the right hand side. You've got a nice little bar area. We have been able to get a bottle of water every day. They also fill our ice. Both are very handy. They do have coffee in the room. It's Lavazza. There also is a mini fridge down here. It's not a mini bar, so you can stick whatever you need in there. We haven't had anything to put in there though. Lots of drawer space. So you can see there's 6 drawers and then 3 drawers over here. In the closet, you've got a safe. It's one of those good sized ones too. And then that's where your life jackets are. A couple extra pillows. We actually have one of them out already. And then you've got closet space. Nice amount of space actually. I remember one of the things that I was most disappointed in before when I've stayed in a cruise room is the amount of closet space and the bathroom space. And I will say that the bathroom, this bathroom is larger than our hotel room bathroom in Miami. So we'll take this. There is, you can see the 2 double vanity, full-size toilet, lots of mirrors. And then you've got a full-size tub. No jets, but it's nice and deep. And actual has very good water pressure. Cool little mosaic tile action there. The bathroom products have actually been very good too. Then you go into the living room. That is a pull-out couch, so you can have more people sleep there if you need to. Decent amount of lighting. Got your little, I don't know if that's a rabbit or a dog. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what it is. There's our elephant. You've got more storage space here. Actually, nope, that's a subwoofer. We have not been watching any TV, but they do have cable if you need anything for that. TV is probably about 40 inches, nothing too crazy. You got more storage space on the sides. Each has a nightstand. We are on departure day, so this is a well lived in room. So if it's a little messy, that's why. Over here we've got another nightstand. Pretty much the only outlets that were easy to find and use are those right there. So if there's any upgrades that could happen here, I would definitely say more outlets would be nice. Otherwise, bring your European adapters, and then you could take advantage of some more spots. But overall, it's been good. Lots of lighting. Lots of space, big closet. And then here's the balcony. So the balcony, it is basically 2 balcony rooms together. You can see here you've got your table and chairs. And there's Rachel, just lounging about. We just wrapped up over at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. If you haven't checked out that video, please do so. We did check out all the free options. Lots of fun. But we're gonna go ahead and take you to a couple of friends of ours. They did the Royal Up program and got a junior suite from a balcony room as well. So that way you can compare. But overall, it's a pretty dang good room. I would definitely do the $200 again, or $200 per person again if allowed. So a friend of ours actually got the junior suite, so we wanted to be able to compare this. They did do the Royal Up program as well, and they did $100 per person to get this room. I am doing the wide angle lens because if you've been in a cruise ship room, do know it's typically pretty small. But as you walk in, just to your left side is the bathroom. You can see you've got a single sink, decent sized toilet. One of the biggest upgrades that you're going to see in this room is the full-size tub. I actually think this tub is bigger than ours. And it's pretty deep too, which is pretty cool. But otherwise, I don't see any outlets down below. Kind of like ours. Just as you turn around, you do have a pretty spacious closet. So I feel like the closet, the tub are two of the biggest issues. The other is going to be the deck. Not issues, but actual upgrades compared to a regular balcony room. You do have your thermostat control. Decent amount of storage space. You got lots of drawers down below. You've got extra cabinet and shelves here, where you also have a safe. Got a nightstand. Good amount of lighting. Same coffee setup that we had. You do have a chair and a sofa. I'll try to find out and add in if that is a pull-out sofa. And here we'll get some light adjustment as I open this up. And you're going to see this is an extended balcony. It is on the end of the cruise ship, so the backside. Very good sized balcony. You got, actually, I would say that this balcony is bigger than ours. And cool view because they back into a perfect day at Coco Cay. But that is your junior suite. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our videos. If you're enjoying them, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All our links are down below.
Thank you.